Good day, learners. Welcome to another lesson that's full of knowledge, skills, and experiences. I am your teacher, ELENA and ESGUERRA from Don Catulio Feria Arandaeng High School. Join me as we learn new lesson in TLE 8. But make sure you are comfortably seated and be ready for note-taking. Welcome to our new lesson in TLE 8, Nail Care Services. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to: first, identify the 9 measures in keeping salon clean and safe. Second, evaluate pictures in terms of safety and hygiene to keep salon clean and safe. And the third one, value the importance of keeping the salon clean and safe. Which leads us to essential learning competency, which is perform basic, preventive, and corrective maintenance. Now, to test your prior knowledge on this topic, let us answer this pretest. But do not worry, your score will not be recorded. Are you ready, students? Identify if the statements are measures in keeping the workplace clean and safe. You may choose from check or X. All beauty salons must be well lighted and well ventilated and must be in a good sanitary condition. Is it a check or an X? The correct answer is check. The salon premises must be free from rodents, vermin, flies, or other similar insects. Is it a check or an X? The correct answer is check. All hair, used cotton, or other waste materials must be removed from the floor immediately and deposited in a closed container. Is it a check or an X? The correct answer is check. Each beautician must wear a washable uniform while serving the clients. Is it a check or an X? The correct answer is check. All waste materials should be disposed in an enclosed waste bin, fitted with polythene bin liner, durable enough to resist tearing. Is it a check or an X? The correct answer is check. Who got the perfect score? Very good. For those who did not get it, do not worry, we still have to learn deeper. Do you know what is preventive maintenance? Well, to give you an idea, let's watch this short video clip.
Proper maintenance of nail care implements and equipment is very important. It is vital to sterilize metal implements and sanitize wooden tools. The hand and foot spa machine should also be cleaned, as well as the environmental surfaces before and after each use. Contaminated tools can cause bacterial and fungal infections that are unsightly, painful, and sometimes fatal. There are several methods of cleaning and sterilization. Do a cursory cleaning after each nail care services and deep clean monthly to keep tools safe and useful all the time.
The video clip shows us the importance of preventive measures and maintenance. Now, what are the measures in keeping the salon clean and safe? There are 9 measures in keeping the salon clean and safe. The following are: Number 1. All beauty salons must be well lighted, well ventilated, and must be in good sanitary condition. Number 2. The salon premises must be free from rodents, vermin, flies, or similar insects. Number 3. All salon establishments must be provided with containers of running hot and cold water. Number 4. The curtains, floor coverings in the salon must be washable and kept clean. And number 5. All hair, used cotton, and used materials must be removed immediately and deposited in a closed container. Number 6. The restroom must be well sanitized and be provided with individual towel. Number 7. Each beautician must wear a washable uniform while serving the clients. Number 8. Each client must be provided with a freshly laundered towel. And number 9. All waste materials shall be disposed in a closed waste bin durable enough to resist tearing. This time, let's try to evaluate pictures in terms of safety and hygiene by giving description to each pictures. Are you ready? Let's start with the first picture. Is it an ideal beauty salon or not? Yes, it is an ideal beauty salon because It follows the 9 measures in keeping the salon clean and safe. Let's look at the second picture. Is it an ideal beauty salon or not? You're correct. It is not an ideal beauty salon because it is messy, disorganized salon. So it's not. Very good, students. I know you're ready for the assessment. Come on, let's try. This time, you will answer the following questions to measure what you have learned. You will be given 10 seconds to answer the question or the statement. When you hear this sound, it means time is up. Are you ready? Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong. Each beautician must wear a washable uniform while serving the client. Is it true or false? Your timer starts now. The answer is true. Each client must be provided with a freshly laundered towel. Is it true or false? Your timer starts now. The answer is true. All beauty salons must be dim and close ventilated and must be in poor sanitary condition. Is it true or false? Your timer starts now. The answer is false. Nail salon premises must be free from rodents, vermins, flies, or similar insects. Is it true or false? Your timer starts now. The answer is false. All curtains and floor coverings in the salon must be disposable and untidy. Is it true or false? Your timer starts now. The answer is false. That's all for today. See you again next time. This is your TLE Nail Care class saying goodbye.